Hey YouTube, how we doing today? Well, that's right. You can see by that box, and I love how Gerber is putting out their new packaging with these boxes. Honestly, when I get one in the mail and I see this, it makes me happy for some reason. But gee, I wonder what we're going to take a look at today. Can you figure that one out? I'm pretty sure that you can. So stay tuned after we roll the intro. I'm going to tell you about everything you need to know about what came in that box. Alright YouTube, thank you so much for staying past that opening. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know we do things really differently here on the channel, and I think you're going to like what you're going to see. Now, for you first-timers, and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, look right down here. Going to be a little channel watermark popping up. Man, you want to hover over that thing, click on subscribe, and just get it out the way early. We're growing, we're having a lot of fun, and I really want you along for the ride. Alright guys, now let's get to the fun. As you saw, we're going to take a look at the brand new Gerber Key Note. Okay. I had a lot of hope for this thing. I'll be perfectly honest, I did. I thought it was interesting, thought it was wonderful, thought it was a unique little item. Yeah, we'll get to that in a moment. Now, as I was saying in the opening with Gerber's new packaging, I kind of like it. Alright, there's the usual propaganda from Fiskars, you know. But I do like how they're doing this. They're writing weird little messages inside boxes. Everyone I've gotten has been different. There's your warranty in California, this causes cancer. And yeah, security tag. And when it came, somehow it was like attached there and it had like the little, you know, the little, like little... I can't even friggin' think of it. Cable ties, there we go. Wrapped around it that you had to cut free. Okay. So, I get with everyday carry being huge, and Gerber essentially has dumped its Gerber Daily Carry line. Now, I'm going to leave a card right up here. For every bit of gear reviews we've ever done, you're going to find a lot of the GDC stuff in there, and you'll see what I'm talking about, and you'll kind of figure out where I'm going with this. Now, there's a blade in there, okay, that's supposed to be carried on a key ring, but it really doesn't give you that much mobility. So if they really want you to put this on a key ring, why are they giving you a pocket clip? Alright, so if you put this in your pocket, you're going to have a hard time pulling her out because there's really nothing to grab onto, and it is a huge deep pocket carry. But let's get into the fun. Okay, oh, before I go too much further, it comes in black, which I grabbed, or coyote brown. Now, to get it open, you've got two ways. You've got a nail nick, or you have a flipper helper. This is what I mean. It doesn't open it all the way to ratchet open. It just pops it open so you can get the stubby little blade out. Now, it's got an overall length of 3 inches. The blade is 1 inch. And closed 2 inches. It has a weight of 2.33 ounces. It's got dual plain edge and a Tonto style with a satiny finish. But that doesn't look satiny to me. Honestly, it doesn't. That looks more stonewash. But leave it to Gerber's website, right? Now, the blade steel 7CR17 MOV. It's got an aluminum black-coated handle. Now, you can either carry it right hand, left hand pocket carry, tip down only. It does have a liner lock in there, which is really aggressive. And like I said, you've got the nail nick opener or the flipper helper. And in case you're wondering, yes, it is made in China. I know, shocker, right? So I've been playing with this thing since I got it about a week ago. I got this and the straight lace on the same day. And yeah, we just filmed the review for the Gerber straight lace. Oh, you're going to want to look right up there. You can see that card? That way, oh my god, I'm just screwing everything up. There's a card sitting right back there for the Gerber straight lace if you want to check that video out. I'll be honest with you, this is probably going to be a giveaway. I can't find any practical use for this in my life whatsoever. I can't. Alright, it's awkward when you're using it to cut because you have that itty bitty little surface as you saw. And there's kind of like a little scraper sitting right there. You know, it just... yeah. I'm not even going to try the ratchet strap. I mean, she'll cut. You know, she'll cut. I just... I honestly really can't... I've been racking my brain trying to come up with a practical application for it, and I just can't. I can't even really call it a last-ditch item because it's really a bear to get open at times. I don't know, maybe you want to throw it in a pack, so, I don't know, if you're skinning something small and you want to scrape some insides out. I don't know. You know, I'd like to know what y'all think. You know, I really, truly would. Because this one, I had no idea how I was going to film a review on it to try to make it not seem like I'm bashing the product. Because somebody somewhere got paid good money for this idea, and some higher up at Gerber went, all right, put it into production. I know, not like Gerber's ever had a failed product before, right? Now, I found it on Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. Over on Amazon, it's going to run you $21.02. On Gerber, it's $24, and Blade HQ, it's $18.95. It's been reviewed, I don't know how many times over on Gerber because they never give you an accurate count, but everybody knows I don't trust Gerber's rating system, and they gave it a 3 out of 5. What shocked me was it's also been reviewed over on Amazon, and it's been reviewed 9 times, and it got a 4.4 out of 5 star rating. I did not expect it to get that high. I just, yeah. Alright, I'm going to start this one differently because, well, I just hate this thing. I truly do. I know there's going to be somebody out there that likes it, and I really want to know your thoughts on it, you know? I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. I especially want to know if you got yourself a keynote and if you like it. I really want to know if you own one, if you hate it, what are your thoughts on it? Are you guys just watching this video? You know, I know what this is going to be. Is it a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? Guys, I'm sorry. I've had this thing for a week, and I've been trying desperately to come up with something great to say about it, and I can't. So this is a first for the channel. I can't say anything good about a Gerber product. Now, with that being said, I'm just going to wrap it up because yeah. Call this one a phone-in video if you want, or a freebie to bash on Gerber for this, because I just don't see it here. I really, really don't. But if you first-time viewers of the channel, like I said just a couple moments ago, I want to thank you so much for checking this video out. I know it's a really, really weird one, and trust me, when you've got a reviewer who can't say anything nice about a product, that's rare. All right? But I want to thank you, you know, for viewing this video. Your time is your most precious commodity, and I'm glad you gave me a couple moments of it. Hopefully I've earned more of it with my honesty today, because normally I love Gerber products. I understand about budget steals and everything else, and I generally try not to bash them on that, but this, I can't see anything good for it. I just can't. All right? But for you first-time viewers and you long-time viewers who have yet to do it, take a look right down here. Okay, going to be a big channel watermark popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to send you right to subscribe. After you've knocked that out the way, please destroy the bell icon. Why? Well, it's going to notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time that this channel uploads a brand new video. Hopefully not much more like this. Now, speaking of videos, 2 are going to be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. Guys, it's a first for the channel. A Gerber product I actually hate. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have a great one today.